So today's video I'm going to be replacing the bumper on my 2001 Tacoma. I had a gentleman hit it pretty hard with a golf cart. So I got a chunk of plastic taken out of here, but this was dented up pretty good. It's not actually going to be a total how-to, but I'm going to try to show you when I'm underneath taking apart the bolts and everything and how I'm going to be doing this. I've got a Reese trailer hitch on this vehicle, and I don't really want to be taking that off. This bracket here comes with the bumper, but I'm going to try to just take off the bumper because this bracket's not really rusty at all. So I'm going to be undoing these bolts here. Here's another shot of the bolts from the other side of the bumper. So disassemble the lights and finish taking apart some other stuff here. Let's get that out of the way. So one thing that I was disappointed with, although the vehicle is almost 20 years old now, they don't make this bumper anymore. So the dealership, after all, can't get me, excuse me, Corona, just kidding, it's a factory bumper. So ordered this one, because this is basically what the dealer was going to be giving me, but they don't have Toyota stamped on the plastic. So I'm hoping that these little tabs underneath match up with what I've got, because I'm just going to pop this off and put the ones that say Toyota back on. So I've got my little helper. We already took out the first one, so he's going to just take out the second one. We loosened these up last night. I've got a friend coming over to help us. Nope, that's it. That's it. The safety goggles on. Come on over here. Lay down on the creeper. Now I've already loosened up these bolts for you. You can't see? Okay, hold on. Let me move the truck. Okay, got you a little bit out of the sun. I want you to loosen up this bolt and the one on the other side. It's going to be tough. Use your strength. Pull. There you go. You're getting it. Good job. Now when it gets really easy, you might just be able to take it out with your fingers. Yep. Not yet. Keep going. Good job. Now we'll just do the other side. So I wanted to point something out to you. This is a regular washer. See this washer with this little cut in it? Mm-hmm. Sorry, I'm not on tape. That's called a lock washer. That helps prevent the bolt from backing out. There are two different types of washers used on here. Mm-hmm. So I'm going to break these two bolts for my son. Try to. This other one's going to be difficult. I need a smaller socket wrench. This is gonna be fun. Need to put some more penetrating oil on this. Okay, let's try this. Nope, not working. I have to get out the air impact and try that. So I don't know what you can see here because I gotta... But anyway, had to use this in order to get it off. Mark point to the two that I want you to take out. Now, the one that's closest to the front of the truck,
I see it.
you're gonna back it all the way out.
Nope.
Nope.
You're going to look at this one and the one back here.
You'll have to feel the
And
one
back
that's back there.
Can't really see that one, but you can feel it back there. And then this one up front.
It's kind of got blue on it.
See it?
Oh, you can see it.
Right
Why don't you
here?
lay down instead of... I'm gonna get this camera out of the way.
You can feel
Getting
this
more
thing.
easier.
Doing a good job.
That's probably about good enough.
Okay, that's
Probably
good.
2 or 3 threads in there.
Okay, now do the other one.
Now do that one up front.
That one you can take all the way out.
You're getting oil on you.
It's okay.
You'll clean up. Okay, so when it's loose like that, take one hand and hold that socket, just to give it a little bit of pressure, and then the other one use on the. There you go. There you go. Perfect.
Good job. You're gonna take that one completely out.
You got a ways to go. What you might be able to do, Mason? Let's say you can probably just spin it out. It's so loose.
Yeah. Good job.
There you go.
Thank you. All right. That would be bad.
Made this stuff right in like water. Yep.
Crisco. Can you slide yours in just a little bit? Well, you gotta line up with this down here.
If you're hanging up, you may have to get a little bit out.
See where it's hanging up here? Right here?
Yep.
Okay.
Right on this
Just a
is right.
smidge.
Yeah, I don't want to.
Just tap it with a towel.
Sure. Let me grab it.
There it is. You got it.
I got
He
it.
just tapped it with his hand. He's like an animal.
He's an animal.
He is.
All right. All right, got my helper back. So yeah, screw that in as far as you can with your hand.
John, while you were down there, did you put your lights in? Your side.
Yeah. And you want to make sure you're not cross-threaded, because it looks like you're having difficulty getting that in. Hold on, let me try it. Drive it home. thank you very much for your help, son. You did a great job. Now all we got to do is put the third brake light back in and put the plate on. Thumbs up. Alright. So, like I said, I didn't use these because that would have taken even longer to do these bumper brackets. And then, since I only did 4 bolts, you know, that were from the Toyota, we just put those back on. So, got a couple of extra parts here now. But overall, I'm glad I had my friend here just to help me out. I needed his impact set. And now I know what the difference is in between a 6-point and 12-point socket. So I need to start buying 12 points because I wasn't able to get his breaker bar in there when we were taking it off. Well, thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.